In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change, edit, and personalize text on your Shopify checkout page. So, if you've been wanting to give your online store a more customized and unique look, you've clicked on the right video. By tailoring the text on your checkout page, you not only enhance the overall customer experience, but also bolster your brand's identity. With Shopify, the process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it, step by step. Let's begin with the first thing you need to do, which is navigating to your online store within Shopify. So go ahead and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Under that section, find and click on Online Store. This is essentially where you manage the appearance and content of your store, and it's your go-to place for making any major visual changes. After you're in the Online Store section, you should see three little dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, located near the theme you are currently using. Click on those ellipses to open more options. Once that dropdown appears, select Edit Default Theme Content. This option is crucial as it takes you to the core of how you can edit the text that appears on your site. Editing the default theme content area is essential because it allows you to maintain consistency across your website while personalizing specific elements to better fit your brand messaging. Once you've clicked on Edit Default Theme Content, you're going to want to focus on finding the specific content you're looking to tweak. Since today we're targeting the checkout page, you'll want to use the search filter functionality, which will make this step quicker and easier for you. Simply type out "checkout" into the search bar. This will refine the results and bring up all text fields associated with the checkout page that are available for editing. Now go ahead and browse through the available options, checking what aspects you wish to modify. This may include headings, buttons, or other elements that might improve the customer's checkout experience. When you find areas that you'd like to personalize, click to edit and add your own text, whether it's a friendly greeting, a thank you message, or any other personalized touch you'd like your customers to see. After you've made all your desired changes, remember the most crucial step of all, saving your work. Always click Save after editing to ensure your changes are applied and will reflect on the live site. That's it, folks. By following these simple steps, you've successfully personalized the text on your Shopify checkout page, enhancing your customer interaction and creating a cohesive brand look. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, subtle changes can make a significant difference in customer satisfaction and conversion rates. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your Shopify store uniquely yours.